To delete your Etsy account, start by signing in to your account on the Etsy website. Once you are logged in, click on the U tab, which can be found at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to your account settings page. From the account settings page, click on Account, then click on Close your account. You will be asked to confirm that you want to close your account, and you will also have the option to provide a reason for closing your account. Select a reason for closing your account from the drop-down menu, or choose Other and provide your own reason. Then click on Close Account to confirm. Your account will be closed and you will no longer be able to access it. Before closing your account, make sure to resolve any outstanding transactions or orders. This includes canceling any active listings and issuing refunds to buyers if necessary. You should also save any important information or records from your account, such as order records or customer contact information. It is also important to note that closing your Etsy account will not automatically cancel any active subscriptions or services, such as Etsy Plus or Pattern. You will need to cancel these separately if you no longer wish to use them. After closing your account, you will receive an email from Etsy confirming that your account has been closed. If you have any questions or concerns about closing your account, you can contact Etsy customer support for assistance. Overall, deleting your Etsy account is a relatively straightforward process, but it is important to take the time to review your account and resolve any outstanding transactions before closing it. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth and successful account closure.